This is my pet parrot. He's called Skipper, and he's silly. Isn't you, Skips? Yeah. Come on, be silly.
Go for a swim.
Be your silly little self. Oh, there you are. There he is. Hello. Hello. Oh. Oh. You like to dance, don't you, mate? Let's go see Willow. This is Willow, my dog. Willow, come here. Come here, baby.
I've got the other one off to make the big.
Good girl. Willow, stop looking for food. It's naughty. That is my only pets that I can show people. Okay.